In the realm of technology, a silent revolution is taking place, one that is changing the way we interact with machines. This revolution is powered by artificial intelligence and natural language processing, and at the forefront are chatbots, our digital conversational companions. Today, we're diving into how these intelligent agents understand human language and transform customer support. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the technological magic that allows machines to grasp the nuances of human language. It's an interdisciplinary dance of linguistics, computer science, and machine learning, where algorithms dissect and interpret the complexities of our communication. Imagine a system that sifts through the subtleties of sentiment, deciphers intent, and even translates languages, all to bridge the once impassable divide between humans and computers. With the basics of NLP in our toolkit, let's turn to chatbots, the AI-powered virtuosos of conversation. These virtual assistants are redefining customer support across industries, offering a seamless blend of efficiency and personalization. Picture a world where your queries are met with instant, accurate responses, any time of day. This is the reality chatbots are crafting. They're not just about answering questions. Chatbots curate product recommendations, troubleshoot issues, and evolve with every interaction. This continuous learning curve means they're constantly refining their ability to offer support that feels more human and tailored to individual needs. To wrap up, the synergy between AI and natural language processing is the driving force behind the evolution of chatbots. These conversational agents are more than just programs. They're the embodiment of a future where technology understands us better than ever before. Through the power of NLP, chatbots are not just enhancing customer support. They're reshaping the very fabric of business customer interactions. As we conclude this exploration, remember that what we've discussed is merely the tip of the iceberg in the vast ocean of AI and NLP possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of chatbot technology. Stay curious and keep an eye out for more insights into the ever-evolving world of AI.